Fueling the future with corn bioethanol. What is corn-based bioethanol? Bioethanol is a renewable fuel made by fermenting sugars from crops like corn. It's blended with gasoline to reduce fossil fuel use and emissions. In the US, 94% of ethanol is made from corn, making it one of the most common biofuels. Biological source and cultivation. Corn is grown across the world using conventional farming techniques, making it a very easy crop to grow. It's a starch-rich crop that stores energy from photosynthesis. Farmers plant, fertilize, and harvest corn, which is then transported to ethanol plants. How is corn-based ethanol produced? First, photosynthesis. Corn plants convert sunlight and CO2 into sugars and starch. 2. Fermentation. Starch is broken down into glucose, then fermented by yeast into ethanol and CO2. 3. Distillation. Ethanol is separated from water and impurities. 4. Blending. Ethanol is mixed with gasoline and used as a biofuel. Development status. In the US, about 94% of all ethanol is produced from corn, with about 80% of corn ethanol being produced by the US and Brazil, which fuels over 3,500 fueling stations, and almost 40% of all corn crops being used for corn-based ethanol. This makes corn-based ethanol one of the most widely available and commercialized biofuel products around the world. Carbon footprint impact. According to the USDA, corn bioethanol produced almost 43% lower greenhouse gases than gasoline. However, corn requires fertilizer, water, and land, which can offset some benefits. Economic impact. Corn ethanol supports the economy by creating jobs in farming, transport, and refining. Corn ethanol contributes over $25 billion annually to the US economy, showing its major role in agriculture. Public communication. Government programs like the Renewable Fuel Standard and Low Carbon Fuel Standard promote ethanol use. Public awareness is high, but debate over food versus fuel and land use is a major topic. Analysis and recommendation. I have analyzed that it is easy to mass produce bioethanol and has a better carbon footprint than gasoline. It does have its downfalls and its competition with other food crops and its limited carbon savings. I recommend finding ways to improve farming efficiency and shifting towards cellulosic ethanol, which can reduce greenhouse gas emissions by up to 85%. My action plan without worry of money. First, switch to cellulosic ethanol. 2. Build more cellulosic ethanol plants. And 3. Fund precision agriculture. Thank you.